Welcome, this is Haku EDC, and for those of you who followed the channel at the beginning of the year, I stated no more mystery packs. Mystery packs are basically stuff that's secondhand, or second tier I should say, or they're just not stuff that I would normally continue to use for a long length of time, or things that I already have. But I ended up getting this mystery pack. I must admit that I regretted it the minute I pressed the button to actually purchase it. But now that it's here, I'm going to open it up and we're going to see, is it really worth it? Is it fun? Is it functional? Or is it just foolishness? I've had a number of their bags and I think that they do a pretty decent job. Not the best, but a pretty decent job. I want to go through a couple things in my collection now that I use often. One of the things that I use quite often, or I used to, but I don't anymore, I should say, is this Alpaca bag. It's a nice bag. Oops, it works very well. I really like the latch here. This can be used to carry a water bottle or some extra stuff here. I have typically used it as my Insta360 bag. I can put my camera stuff inside here. I can put a selfie stick. I've got a little piece of paper here. I can put a battery. I could generally fill it up and carry this as a sling. Also, obviously, I still use it because I have a little thing attached to it, so I can find it in case I misplace it. It's a nice bag. If you were to get this bag, I think that most people would be happy. Oh, by the way, that I show you, I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested in knowing about it. The thing that I use the most often, or if not the most often, is the most important, is this. This is the Bravo Sling Max. It's about a 10-liter bag, if I remember correctly, and I use it because I would go to meetings, or just recently I went to a place that I want to hire me has doing a little small consulting job, and I like to carry my laptop. I tend to put on a suit jacket, and this is really nice to use. I can put my laptop inside here, can put papers, pencils, EDC stuff, or just plain notes that I need to have, pen, pencils, and I can pack this out pretty well. And it just hangs tough. It looks nice. People think that it's much more professional than me using my bike bag if I'm biking to the place. This little package comes with it all. Supposedly it's something that you can use. It's actually a pretty nice size. It's over 12 inches, maybe like 14 inches here and 12 inches across. For those that may want to carry little small groceries in it or books, it'd be okay, but don't expect it to last any length of time. Now, the important things, there should be three things here, which they are. I did count them. And let's start off with the first one, and it is they say that it's the Element Tech case. If I remember right, yep, it is. And it's X-Pack dark green. And let's go through some of the information. Oops. Let's go through some of the information here, just so that you can see it. If I remember right, it's like 5 liters, but I will put the information about it somewhere up on the screen here. As you can tell, the size here. Here it is in metric, so that you get a sense of the size. You probably want to know what the size of it is across here. I haven't used the Elements case. I've seen them online. I notice a lot of people like them. They do use them. It's got a nice little pocket here. Oh, it's got your strap. It kind of reminds me a little bit of, but it's a little bit bigger than my blank canvas accessory one. It doesn't have a little piece here to hold on to. what I call, it isn't technically a water bottle holder, but I always call this the water bottle holder. It's got your typical Alpaca Aqua Guard zippers. I think they're Aqua Guard zippers. Nice opening up. Oh, I like the contrasting color here. Let's see here. You could put, this is a blank canvas accessory pouch, small one. You put a pouch in here. You can put your flashlight, if that's what you want to do. Here, some tools, pen, pencil, paper. You can, what I would do if I had a wallet, I would put my little wallet in this section here. And this is a great bag that you can carry, and then you can put it inside of a larger bag. Let's say that you're traveling and you're at the airport, and you can put your technical gear in here, such as your cords, your power stuff in one bag. And since we're talking about that, let's see if we can get an iPad mini in here. I think previously when I've seen these being demonstrated, iPad mini does fit, but I like to do it myself here. Where would I put it? I probably put it on this side here. Let me take this out. Oh, this is your iPad mini. It fits pretty darn easily. So obviously, phone possibly in here, wallet, passport, iPad mini. You have your cords. So you could put this, you take this out of your main bag. If you're one bag person, you could use the strap for your stuff, passport, ticket, without a problem. This is the Elements tech case bag. I don't remember how much any of these are, but I'll put them there. And at the end, I'll talk about one functional or foolishness. I think that this would be definitely functional. I'm not so sure it will be fun, but I like the color. I like X-Pack, and so it's borderline fun. It's borderline fun. Let's go to the next thing I have here. This is the Ghost Sling Mini 2. Let me just push this here. And this one, let's see the size so that you can see the size of this. Oh, it's about 12 inches by 6.5 inches, 7 inches. Here it is with your metric sizes so that you can see that. The metric size here. Oh, it's a little wider than the Elements case, which means you can put more stuff in here. It doesn't zip all the way down like the Elements case does. So you're going to be putting stuff in here. Here, this is like possibly a pouch. Obviously, the iPad would fit in there. It'd be great to have, put in your flashlight. This is a multi-tool. You can put this in there, zip it up, and you're pretty much covered. This would also do a good job as your transpo bag at the airport. I mean, a little bit better because it has this little pocket here for your more secret things, ID wise. Then it has a nice little pocket here for those things. You have your piece here. I would always, really stuff that's important, you could attach it in there. Your keys, but beyond your keys, glasses, you might want to put your glasses in this part here. Seems a little bit padded, a little more padded, a little less rigid than something like the Elements case is. And let's just see, the Elements case is about 5 liters. Let's see what this says for size. Ghost Sling Mini V2. 9 by 5 by 2. Says volume 0.5. I think they meant to say 5 liters, but I will check that out. These are both, if this is 5 liters, and this one is this 5 liters? Let's see what it says for size-wise. I think this is 5 liters, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this 2.5 liters. So if this is like a 2.5 liter bag, this is close to twice that. So this must be a 5 liter bag. And once again, this reminds me very much of the blank canvas accessory bag that I have in multiple ways. I think this is a little bit more built up internally than it, but it kind of wise, and that's 2.5 liters if I remember correctly. And the last thing that we have here is the zip clutch, and this is the stale gray version. This is one of the ones that I don't get. I know a lot of people do things related to it on YouTube. I mean, there's a lot of reviews of this. I think that whenever they sent out one thing to a review, they would always send out this zip clutch. I don't get it. I understand you can put stuff in there. Let me here. Let's say you can put a pen in here. Oops. I'm dropping stuff here today. Put a couple pens in here and they would stay. You can put credit cards. You can put your other small wallet in there. But it's not, I don't trust putting anything on the outside of that. Would not trust, on the outside of this, because if it's in your hands, and even if it's this way in your hands, you basically need to hold on to it all the time. Otherwise, just fall out of it. I don't get that. And here, people I know want to put like their a notebook type thing in here. But once again, I just don't trust things to stay there. Although this does stay there. It's much better than I thought, actually, for that. A couple cards in here. Passport could be also stored in here. But this is something that you really want to just put inside of another pouch or carry it in some large cargo pants pocket. I don't know why or what the circumstances are someone would carry this with a strap on. If you're one of the people that have one of these and carry it with the strap on it, please let me know in the comments below how you use this and what you use this for. Right now, I'm not seeing this as either fun, functional. So for me at least, this is foolishness. This is once again the Zip Clutch Pro from Alpaca. And I will tell you how much all these cost. I will add them up and put it out here. But I think that they're all, I'm taking a guess here, they're probably normally retail together a couple $100. And that I'm getting definitely, even at discounted or even outlet prices, I think I'm getting more than $150 worth of stuff here. Now, what are things I'm probably going to use? I would definitely use this one here quite often. I see this, as I stated, I'm going to travel. I do one bag traveling. I need something to store either my camera equipment or my basic things I'm going to travel with that are tech related, meaning battery, meaning flashlight, those kinds of things. I definitely would put this size. Then I could put it back in my one bag pouch if I needed to. Bag travel if I need to do that, or I can just slip it on the outside or attach it to the outside. There's plenty of ways of attaching this with this hook. You can use carabiners here to help keep things attached too. I really like that. This one is, for me, maybe not for you. It's a little bit too big for that one back piece. But this is really nice. This will be a present for like someone, and they will really appreciate it. They will enjoy it. I can easily see that. So that's my take on my Alpaca mystery pack. Let me know your take on the things that are here. What your thoughts about mystery packs are. If you're interested in much more of the things that I do, please subscribe. I put out content on things that I purchase with my own money. So nothing that you see here that I've had that weren't purchased by me. I haven't sent things, nor have I asked anyone to send me anything. That will change next year, but I'm just going to do just my stuff now. If you want to see other of my videos, please click here, and there's some more videos that you can see right over here. And as I stated, I'm just an old guy with a relatively new channel trying to grow it. Please subscribe. Please give me feedback. And if there's something that you have an interest in me going a little deeper on with these items, please let me know. This is Aku, EDC. I will see you in the future.